Do you want to get in on the hottest trend on YouTube? I'm serious. This is something that everybody is getting excited about. And basically, you're going to be able to purchase a package with full PLR rights. So you can actually sell this, give it away, use it as a bonus, whatever you like. And of course, I'm going to give you something that is going to make this an absolute no-brainer. You're absolutely going to love this one. Stay with me. It's coming right up in my review of the YouTube Shorts Excellence. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull look successfully. Well, made by Buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, well, you know the drill by now. Feel free to go ahead and skip ahead. I know that my jokes, yeah, they're pretty bad. Okay, I admit it. My jokes are pretty awful. Okay, I get it. You know, I've been doing them for way too long. I keep recycling the same jokes over and over again. I got to get new jokes. I admit it, but I still love them. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, really, Bart? Really? Do you know this is the second time today he's done this? Seriously, I just recorded another video and now he's doing it again. The guy is relentless. He's driving me crazy. Can somebody please get him some new lines, please? Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give it to my head to product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here on mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, I love Liz. She's a sweetheart. She's a fellow New Yorker. You can't get angry at a fellow New Yorker. I'm sorry. It's illegal. That's the way it is, you know. But anyway, seriously, if if you are new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and smash the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Frankly, subscribe. Well, it doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now at the sales page for YouTube Shorts Excellence with PLR. Basically, this is a brand new course from my friend Vikram. It's going to teach you everything you're going to need to know about how to make money with YouTube Shorts. This is the latest trend on YouTube where people make serious money off of YouTube using these short videos. It's a new thing that YouTube is trying to push. It used to be that they were only pushing long form videos. Now they're pushing short form because they're trying to compete with TikTok. And the nice thing is that you're going to get PLR to this course. You can sell it, give it away, use it as a bonus. I'll show you the members area in just a second. But I do want to tell you about my custom bonus because, as always, I have the best custom bonus you're ever going to see. First of all, when you pick this up, you're going to get PLR to my own course on using Davinci Resolve. Now, why is that a big deal? Because Davinci Resolve is a free piece of software, but it's kind of complicated to use. My course is going to show you exactly how to use the software, and again, it's completely for free. It's going to show you how to edit together videos, put together really cool stuff with all kinds of special effects in the videos. Okay, this video has not been widely distributed. This course, on Davinci Resolve has not been widely distributed. You're going to get it completely for free with PLR rights. That means you can sell it, give it away, use it as a bonus, and then you can even sell it as part of your package when you sell the YouTube Shorts course. So that's really going to be cool for you, but I'm not finished yet. Beyond that, I'm also going to give you 200 video clips that you can use to create custom-made videos for YouTube. So in addition to using this as something to sell, you can also give away these courses. You can also make videos using these videos. You can even sell these videos to somebody else if you want to sell them. So you have that right as well. Pick up any upgrade, I'm going to 10x your video collection. I'm going to give you over 2,000 videos to use for your YouTube short videos. Okay, so that's going to be if you pick up any upgrade to the YouTube Shorts Excellence package. All right, so let's go ahead and check out the members area real quick. There's not a whole lot to see here. basically, as you can see, you get the all the materials that you need. You have everything included, the videos, you have the sales page, you have the training guide, of course, which is the actual course. You get all the graphics included for you for free, and they're all able to be edited and sold completely, totally as part of your package. And by the way, let me show you what the price is, just so you understand how cheap this is. Right now, as I'm recording this, it's $9.32. Okay, for $9, you're going to get over 200 video clips, well, 200 video clips. Okay, you're going to get my PLR to my course on Davinci Resolve, which I don't give away very often. I have not done this very often. It's usually something I reserve for special occasions, and giving that away for free. Okay, this is my course on Davinci Resolve. That is a high-level course on Davinci Resolve software, which is completely free software, by the way. But if you ever download Davinci Resolve without understanding it, it can take a long time to figure it out. My course gives you the shortcut, and it comes with PLR, so you can sell it, give it away, use it as a bonus. And again, you're also going to get the actual YouTube Shorts Excellence course to sell and give away as a bonus. Pick up any upgrade. I'm going to give you over 2,000 video clips to use as a bonus completely for free with this package. So it's a really, really extensive package. They're going to be getting completely, totally for free. And again, it's $9.32. Okay, you can't really go wrong for that. Even if it's a little bit more by the time you watch this video, you're still talking about an insanely, insanely low price, especially when you consider the fact that you get to sell this, give it away, use it as a bonus. Okay, you can relabel it, make it your own. And this just blows my mind when you can do that kind of thing for something that's good quality, that's really high-end stuff. Grab this one. This one, wow. Okay, let's see if I'm going to give it tip my hat, although I kind of gave that away.
You the man.
Yeah, seriously, you the man. Okay, I love this thing. This is awesome. Okay, for $9, you really can't go wrong grabbing this. You're going to love it.